What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, as the title says, or whatever it says. Hey, look, it's Dad. You can't see him. Wait. Now you can see him. Today, we're gonna be the face mask. We're doing face mask. Ah! Ow! It's gold.
Where'd you get it from?
Oh, I got it from one of my subscribers.
Actually,
Italy?
her name is Monica. Yeah, shout out to Monica. Thank you so much for giving me these. I can't talk today. Giving me these for my birthday. Really appreciate it, girl. Okay, how do we do this? Sorry guys for the bad intro, but how are you guys doing? Thank you so much for waiting for so long for me to post an actual video. I've been super busy with my boyfriend, my friend. That's a boy. Ah! So as what this spa treatment mask does is it offers intense hydration to revitalize your balls, smooth and soften your balls, soothing 15-minute facial balls, facial therapy. Helps with reducing fine lines and wrinkles.
That working, you.
Alright, let's do the first opening. Oh shoot.
Oh god. It's like a condom.
Whoa, what the frick? I gotta take my hat off for this.
God.
Oh, come on here.
Should we have... Wait.
There we
Oh
go.
god, it's like dripping.
Put this on my... Oh my... Dude!
Does it have holes?
No. Dude. It smells like... Dude, what the frick?
It's literally...
Oh, I see that outline of the face. I don't have that big of a face.
Good go.
Go!
You ready for this?
Woo!
It's so wet and soggy.
It's like lube.
It looks like a dishwasher. It looks like a fucking dishwasher. Like a...
It looks like a dishwasher.
No,
Nice,
no,
Ethan.
not a dishwasher.
What's so cold? Oh god.
Oh my god, it's so cold. Wait, okay, I need to take a break right here.
No. You were going.
What up, cuz?
Oh my god. Dude, look at this.
Oh.
Looks like you just, finished right there. Oh my god. Happy Halloween. Oh my god, it's so cold. I can't move my mouth. I can't move my mouth.
That's a cute child. Damn.
Smells like kindergarten glue. We'll check back in 15 minutes because that's how long it said it. Gotta wait, so we'll be back. Wait. You wanna play Minecraft?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm playing Battlefield 5.
Oh, that sucks.
Covered in bugs.
Hey guys, I got Ethan's phone. So I got his phone. We're gonna just turn it off. I'm Asian, I know how to work iPhones. Okay, perfect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hide it. But I'm gonna hide this and then this. He has no idea I'm in here. Oh my.
Well, I'm not mad. Like my song just ended, and then I heard you go, "Oh my god."
I'm gonna put it right there. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's go check on Ethan.
It's time to take him off.
Oh. Did you like that? Did you like it, Ethan? Come here. We have to end the video. Did you like it? Was that fun? Thanks, Monica. I'll be shouting you out in your stuff. Her social media will be down below in the description. She's actually a friend of mine, so make sure you go check her out. She's really cool and a kind of person. Your face looks so clean now. You needed it. You're ugly looking.
Yeah,
Stop.
I guess it didn't work on you.
Oh,
Damn,
okay.
shit.
Guess I could go. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys next weekend with another banger video.
It looks like a fucking dishwasher. It looks like a fucking dishwasher.